Let me start with a real-time story. One of my friends is a team lead in an e-commerce website. They have developed a bot who answers on FAQ, but sometimes the bot failed to respond to a certain questions. For example, what is the return policy? Can I return the product after 90 days? The bot is unable to answer these questions, and sometimes bot hallucinates. It gives wrong answer in confident way. They have planned to change the model, but that is not the correct way. They need to bring their own data into bot, and that is what RAG comes to the picture. So you need a RAG, you don't need a new model. Let me tell you what is model hallucination. Model hallucination means confident wrong answers. GPT-4 doesn't know your internal data, and RAG solves this problem by grounding your own data. GPT-4 doesn't know your internal data. If you ask GPT-4 that what is the internal expense policy or what is the budget of the northeast region of your organization, it is unable to give you an accurate answer. RAG solves this problem by bringing your own data. It is also known as data grounding. So now let us understand what is RAG. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. RAG is composed of two processes. The first one is search your document first. Second, generate answer based on the search result. We can use Azure Cognitive Search along with Azure OpenAI to implement RAG. Let us understand how RAG works. The first thing is to chunk the content. It breaks PDF as well as documents into parts. Second one is generate embeddings, where it converts text to searchable format. And third one is to search and generate the content. Here it find relevant data and then use GPT-4 to answer. The question is why we should use RAG with Azure OpenAI models. No model training is required. We have grounded and accurate answers. We get full data privacy. We get enterprise-ready content for HR department, legal department, as well as support team. And we also get benefits of tools like Prompt Flow and Azure Cognitive Search.